sklearn, manifold, tsne. Description. T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding tsne is a nonlinear dimensionality reduction technique. Particularly useful for visualizing high-dimensional data in low-dimensional spaces, often 2D or 3D. It aims to represent data points in a way that preserves the local neighborhood structure of P. Original data. Inputs. X. A matrix of shape n samples. N features, where each row represents a data point, and each column represents a feature. Perplexity. This parameter influences the local neighborhood size that tsne considers. A higher perplexity value leads to larger neighborhoods. Outputs. Y. A matrix of shape n samples. N components containing the low-dimensional embedding of the input data. Embedding. A NumPy array containing the final embedding. Steps. Similarity computation. Calculate pairwise similarity between data points using Gaussian kernel, based on Euclidean distances. Probability distribution. Construct the probability distribution over the data points based on P. Similarity scores. This distribution reflects the local neighborhood structure. Low-dimensional embedding. Minimize the Kullback-Leibler KL divergence between P. High-dimensional probability distribution and a corresponding probability distribution in P. Low-dimensional space. This is achieved using gradient descent. Metrics. Kullback-Leibler KL divergence. The KL divergence between the high-dimensional and low-dimensional probability distributions quantifies how well the embedding preserves the local neighborhood structure. Silhouette score. This metric evaluates the quality of the clustering structure present in P. Low-dimensional embedding. Visualization plots. Scatter plot. A scatter plot of the low-dimensional embedding, with each point representing a data point. This plot reveals clusters, patterns, and relationships within the data. Pair plot. A matrix of scatter plots showing the pairwise relationships between all dimensions of the low-dimensional embedding. This provides a comprehensive visualization of the data structure. Fine-tune parameters. Perplexity. This parameter influences the local neighborhood size that tsne considers. A higher perplexity value leads to larger neighborhoods. Experimentation is needed to find the optimal value for the specific dataset. N components. The number of dimensions in the low-dimensional embedding, often set to 2 or 3 for visualization. Early exaggeration. A parameter controlling the initial exaggeration of the KL divergence. Increasing this value can help find more distinct clusters. Learning rate controls the step size in gradient descent. Uncertainty methods. Bootstrap sampling. Generate multiple embeddings by resampling the data with replacement. The variation between these embeddings can be used to estimate uncertainty. Bayesian tsne. Extend tsne with a Bayesian framework to incorporate prior knowledge and quantify uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Difficulty in finding optimal perplexity. Finding the optimal perplexity value can be challenging, as it depends on the data density and structure. Sample use case. A dataset with widely varying data density may require different perplexity values for different regions. Fixes to challenge 1. Experimentation. Try different values of perplexity and assess the results visually. Cross-validation. Use cross-validation to evaluate performance across a range of perplexity values. Challenge 2. Sensitivity to initialization. The results of tsne can be sensitive to the random initialization of the low-dimensional embedding. Sample use case. Repeating the tsne embedding with different random seeds can lead to significantly different visualization results. Fixes to challenge 2. Multiple runs. Run tsne multiple times with different random seeds and average the results. Initialization methods explore different initialization methods, such as PCA or random initialization with specific properties. Challenge 3. Computational cost. TSNE can be computationally expensive, especially for large datasets. Sample use case training. TSNE on a dataset with millions of data points can take a significant amount of time and computational resources. Fixes to challenge 3. Approximate TSNE. Use approximate algorithms, such as Barnes-Hut TSNE, which can reduce computational complexity. Dimensionality reduction. Pre-process the data with other dimensionality reduction techniques, such as PCA, to reduce the number of features before applying TSNE.